Arcade, databases, country selection. Hello everyone, my name is Joshua and I'll be solving country selection from Codesignal. Let's begin. So you have a friend who wants a tour around the world, okay, and you're given a list of countries. You want to identify the countries that are in Africa, okay, and you have a table of information from the table called countries, and they have these three columns: name, content, and population. So your task is to return a new table that has the same columns but contains only the countries from Africa. So how would I do this? Oh, and it should be sorted alphabetically by their names. Okay, all right, I want to select the columns that I need. In this case, it's still all columns. So I denote it by this wildcard symbol, or this, I think it's called an asterisk. Select star from the table is called countries. Now, I want to specify specifically from Africa. Now to do that, I have to use this where statement. And this filters the information within that table of what I need. In this case, it's where continent, this is where Africa is located right here, where continent should equal, and I'm using single quotes, Africa. There you go. And when I run tests, it should pass. Unless it's supposed to be double quotes. Okay, good. Hit submit. Awesome. Alright guys, I hope this helps you, and to those who are new with SQL, I hope I define it simply how this works. Selects whatever columns you need. In this case, it's all of them, hence the star symbol or asterisk. From where do you want to get the information from? It's from the table, countries, and I filter the information I want to be only those with the continent when it equals Africa. In this case, I use this where keyword, and I filter it, continent should equal Africa. Therefore, it only gets all the rows it only has when it in its continent column when it has Africa denoted as that value. Alright guys, hope you like this. Please like and subscribe, and if you do, I'm going to give you a 1 hour compilation songs of 1 hour compilation of music videos from the music band Toto, where they're singing Africa, in all the tours in Africa. It's like secret hidden footage, that it shows how they got inspired to sing the song Africa. I just realized how outdated that joke would be because they're from the 1980s. So I'm going to say I'm just kidding, guys, and shyly hit the stop recording button.